Hey guys, what's up? Round two, box breaks here at the house. Opened one of the boxes at the store. You can see that one on YouTube already. It's one of the first ones I did. Going for next round, and I keep cutting myself on these boxes as I'm opening them. Alright, where's my knife? This thing open. Not cutting that. El Arco de Cabo San Lucas. One of these World Traveler giant cards that they put in the box toppers. Be sure to subscribe. Thumbs up if you like it. This is a good precursor to me opening Allen and Ginter. I got a case of that coming next week. What was I going to do? I was going to grab something. Oh, diamond giveaway for this video. Got that ready. And we're off. Black Mini of Matt Decker. Special in this one that I haven't seen before. Generally the way the packs work is you either get a mini, you either get an insert, or an SP. So it's one of the three in every pack. And this one actually had two. It has a mini and a SP. Like I said earlier, the base are red, SPs are either blue or black on the bottom. Keep these separated for when I sort this stuff out. I think we have a... Nope, no regular hit. This Grant Hill. Hadn't seen his face on a card in a long time. Eddie Plank. That's a SP. I have a feeling the SP set's going to be pretty hard to put together. Especially with the black ones. Michael Jordan. John Stockton mini, it's pretty cool. Steve Young. Stamkos, it's good for the Tampa Bay area that I'm in. Ryan Lavarnway. I haven't heard of him. I guess he's a prospect catcher, baseball. Is he? Yeah, drafted out of Yale in 2008. A lot of names I haven't seen on some of these cards. Giant dummy card. Made me think something was in it. There's a Super SP right there. It's number 210. And the one per box Goodwin Citizens, that's Gustav Eiffel. Designed the Eiffel Tower, obviously, from the name. Billy the Kid, outlaw, kind of cool. We have two outlaws in one box: John Dillinger and Billy the Kid. And Willie Keeler. There's that Super Saver horse again from the last video. So no hits yet. They're coming, I guarantee you. There's one in here. It's a relic. Do a slow roll on the relic. Let's see who it is, if we can guess from the painting. Oh! Well, I kind of blew it fast. That's a nice relic, though. Derrick Rose. Very nice relic. Jose Canseco. John Havlick. Whitey Ford. Whitey Ford in the military getup. It's pretty cool. A good first hit on Derrick Rose. boxer. Matt Decker. Same black mini in the same. Well, that's weird. Two of the exact same black minis. Matt Decker. Mahatma Gandhi, SP. And there's Aaron Rodgers for Packers fans. I have to show off one of the cards. There's another SP, Eddie Shore. Here, I want to grab this one card. It's pretty cool. One I hit earlier that wasn't on camera, I did it to open to the store, is a dual auto Angela and Amber Cope racing fame, and they both signed it. I think this is the only dual auto in the set. I already threw it up on eBay, but it's really cool, and they put the little hearts on their signature. Isn't that cute? But yeah, this is the only dual auto I believe in the set. I haven't heard of any others. And there's the Hope Solo I pulled. I believe I pulled that on camera. I can't remember. That's pretty sharp. One of the more sought after cards in the set. Yordo Ventura mini. I think after this pack we're going to do a diamond giveaway code. There's LeBron James, SP baseball. And let's do the giveaway. Here it is. 8 lowercase g, capital C, capital G, lowercase c, capital B, capital C, lowercase h, capital C. Good luck. I wonder how many of those I've done now. I hadn't even lost track. And Isaac Murphy, SP. No mini in there. The odds, if y'all want to know the odds, I'll go over them real quick. Odds are, it says printing plate combine fall to 3 and 20, which I haven't seen. I guess all the cards of, 3 and 20 for all the harder cards. But Champion Minis 1 and 2, Goodwin Citizens, that's these cards, are 1 out of 20. Figures of Sports, that's the cards that look like the can. We'll see one probably in one of these packs. Are 1 in 20 packs. And the rest they don't actually put a number on. Like the entomology cards or the presidential paintings, there's no number listed for those. And this is a jersey. I have no idea who this guy is, but he plays lacrosse. His name is Paul Rabil or Rabel, or Abil. That's a jersey card for lacrosse. This may be the first ever lacrosse jersey card, because I don't even know if any other company puts out lacrosse cards. So we will see. Earl Campbell. There's another SP, I think, in here. No, there wasn't. Where did I see it? Could have sworn I saw a blue colored. I'm seeing things. Got one more hit to go. Should be an auto. Be nice to get a Jordan auto or one of those Hakeem Olajuwon mini. And there's the regular card of Hope Solo. Any relation to Han Solo from Star Wars? Nah, I'm just kidding. I never knew anybody had that last name. Here is SP right there. And Figures of Sport, this is what I was telling you about. Michelle Wee. Hey, there's Donnie Baseball. I was wondering if he had a card in here. That's cool. For those who don't know, Donnie Baseball is Don Mattingly. I never really liked the Yankees too much, but I do like I like some of their players, and he's one of them. Oh, this is one of the sought after Gretchen Bleiler, snowboarder. Sharp, nice big signature there. So that's the auto. There's Drew Brees. And last pack for this box is, I got Vordano. I had him in American SP. Vordano Ventura in the foil, which these are coming about one per box for me. And that's it for this video. Like I said, guys, subscribe, thumbs up. Let me know you like this if you do. Alright, later. We'll be doing these next two boxes as well.